Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify solo 401k limits using Vanguard calculators, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify solo 401k limits using Vanguard calculators, start by accessing the Vanguard website. Navigate to the retirement section. Locate the calculators option within the retirement section. Click on the link to the 401k contribution calculator. Once the calculator page opens, find the input fields for your personal information. Enter your age in the designated field. Input your expected annual income. Make sure to specify if you're self-employed. Next, indicate whether you currently have a solo 401k plan. Fill in your existing account balance if applicable. Enter the amount you aim to contribute for the year. Select the year for which you want to verify contribution limits. Ensure you check the box for catch-up contributions if you are over 50. After entering all required information, click on the Calculate button. Review the output results displayed on the next screen. Take note of the suggested contribution limits based on the data provided. If you need to adjust any figures, simply re-enter the new data and recalculate. Once satisfied with the calculations, document your findings for future reference. To further understand the contribution limits, refer to the detailed explanations provided on the site. If necessary, consult Vanguard's additional resources or customer service for clarification. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your solo 401k limits using Vanguard calculators. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.